start with you. And what was the difference between the financial results and what's moving the stock right now?
Yeah, thank you so much for having me, Kelly. Look, the print itself was not good, clear miss, and when you back out some Bitcoin gains, it was much worse. The clear area was on gross margins. But why is the stock not down? Because simply this is a stock that is disconnected from fundamentals. With stock trading at 125 times earnings, it tells you that near-term earnings don't matter. What matters is narrative. Right now, this is a supercharged narrative benefiting from both autonomous and their efforts in humanoid robots, AI.
So before we kind of dig in more on that with Deirdre, Dan, typically the street would be a little bit more cautious than to just kind of go, yeah, all sounds good. I mean, there was news from Waymo on this front just this week. The competition is already fierce in this space. So why the excitement?
Look, Tesla has owned the narrative for much of last year, and especially post the election. They've really owned the narrative. That's the only way you can explain why Tesla accumulated some, $500 billion of incremental market cap post election. And so right now, the market is not really challenging any of the things Tesla is saying. I think the market's getting very excited about what Tesla's doing. We think, we'd be a little more cautious on how these things play out, but we understand that the market is feeding off narrative. The big thing you got from Tesla last night was they are starting unsupervised FSD, driverless FSD in Texas in June, and the market's getting excited about that. How it plays out beyond that remains to be seen, but market's getting excited about what they're doing.